Hey guys, back here by the lovely mangroves, coming out to do some fishing again and try my hand to see if I catch something. It's currently low tide, just heading into the afternoon, so willing to try my luck, and the wind is brutal. No, seriously, it is so windy, so freezing, so cold. Let's see if we can catch a fish. Whoa! Today's bait, squid. Let's see how these fare. Woo! Juicy little man right there. Woo! Squidward! Oh! The line got caught again.
So did mine.
Why is it It's freezing, it's windy, the rod's out. Let's see if the fish take any bites. Yo, caught my first fish. Look at that man right there. Look at his fishiness. Well, let's go.
You've got him through his gill.
My bad, buddy.
Get him off?
I hope you enjoyed the squid. Yeah, we should probably get him off, shouldn't we? Oh, we can do that. I've never done this before. He's bouncing one, he's bouncing one. A brim. It's apparently a brim. Hey, my guy. What's up, my
Can I
man?
get a picture?
Yeah, got the fish. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Please swim. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. He's good. Oh, let's go. He's good. First fish, success. Let's go. Felt pretty good to catch that first fish there, finally, on my third fishing attempt. I did it. Turns out squid bait was the way to go. Thought since it was low tide I would be unlucky and probably wouldn't get anything again, but hey, it turns out I just needed to switch up the bait and it worked out quite well. Caught myself my first ever fish right here in this beautiful little mangrove spot from last time. Catching a fish was not on my bingo card for today, but I'm glad it happened. And well, caught one, so got the afternoon to kill. Let's see if I can catch myself another one. Any bites, guys? Fellas? No? Anybody want the squid? Anybody want Squidward? No? Okay. just went to cast out again, and then my squid, he just went flying into the sky. Flying squid. Yeah, there's also these people on jet ski docked up down there. McDonald's over there. What do they do when they get back? Hop on their jet ski and dump all their crap right in the water. You can see it floating out there. And they just dumped it all in. There's more over there too. Filth. Filthy people. Telling you, that crap's just wrong. Bunch of filthy kids, teenagers, that need to learn to respect things. Anyways, they're gone, so time to get back out there. Thought I had a fish. No. It was tugging as if there was one too. Yeah, it was like the other one. I was like for sure I had one there. No, see. I got something there and it took my bait with it. It was a big one. It was a big one. Felt it tug, so I felt like a big pull. Started reeling in because I think I lost it. I was like, oh, I probably got my bait, and then it started going at me. And then, lost it.
It'd be fun to get the drone out. Use that to see what's around.
Heading down this way, gonna see if I can catch something there. It's too shallow down here now. Tide's right out, so I'm just getting caught in all the seagrass. Hopefully it's a little deeper out here. It's slippery. Just be careful coming through. Oh yeah, looks like it gets a bit deeper here. This might be the spot. This is originally where we were set up. There's the bait box, tackle box. Yeah, let's give this spot a go. Oop. I have been well and truly snagged, and there's one of those Macca's things from those idiot kids. Very snagged on the grass here. Might end up calling it here. The tide's just too low at this point, and every time I cast out I'm just getting caught, so I feel like once I get this out, I'll call it for today. I caught my first fish today, so I'm not complaining. See if I can also get this Macca's thing out of the water as well. See what we can do about that. And getting my rod out would be great as well, you know? That'd be nice. See if we can catch this Macca's thing. That's just... Why would you dump water? Why would you dump crap in the water like that? That's just disgusting. Don't do that. It's wrong. And what even is that? Look at that thing right there. What is that? Well, I could probably get my... I'm on it. Ooh. See, the sucky part is I can't even walk out to go pick up the rubbish because I just sink. I just sink here. Like, I won't be getting back. You just fall through the sand. It's like quicksand, basically. Like, I ain't getting back. If I could, I would go out and get it, but I can't step pretty much past this point. I'm already sinking as is, but if I go any further, I just fall down. Like, I can't move. I just get stuck like my rod. Now my line's all let loose. It's caught in the tree. What is going on, man? What's going on? This is crazy. Got it out, but lost my hook. Well, that's going to conclude it for today. Successfully caught my first fish though. Got a little bit snagged and stuck there at the end, even broke my thong. Got buried in mud. But overall, a successful trip, I'd say. I did get my first fish after all. But if you did enjoy, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we can catch some more.